My name is Sammy Weiss. I'm a second year, and I've been involved in this club since the first day of new student orientation. This club is Lewis and Clark Hillel. The club is all about Jewish joy and creating a positive, welcoming environment. And we do that by having events for Shabbat, for holidays, and just fun get-togethers for Jewish students. And non-Jewish students are welcome as well. My role is communications chair, so that entails running the Hillel email and sending out the weekly newsletters. I get to welcome new students and help new students, whether it's freshmen or people who haven't engaged in the past. I've been able to welcome them in the way that I was welcomed in. It definitely helped me fit in at Lewis and Clark because I came from a small Jewish day school, so coming to college was a little bit scary, and so finding Hillel was my way to maintain that Jewish community while also finding my place at Lewis and Clark. One of the first events that I immediately was drawn to and loved was our Abba-themed Shabbat that we call Shabbat. Shabbat is a weekly Jewish tradition where we bring in like the day of rest from Friday night to Saturday night. We did basically all of the typical Shabbat prayers and songs, and we matched them with songs that Abba created that are in Mamma Mia. If I were to describe my club in 3 words, I would describe them as strong, empowering, and vibrant. I chose vibrant because we're welcoming to so many different people and different types of people. I think Hillel has been a main support system for me and for many Jewish students. I would recommend this club if you're Jewish and you want to be part of a Jewish community that is so welcoming and inspiring, no matter what type of Jew you are or the type of Jewish upbringing you had. If you're not Jewish and you want to just come support the Jewish community, we love having our non-Jewish friends come. Come and you can be part of this amazing community and have your own place no matter who you are, Jewish or not. Hillel is really a space where we invite new ideas, not just new people. And so if there are activities or events or programming that interested people want to see happen, we want to include more. We want to appeal to what the students want. And so bring your new ideas, bring your friends. If people are interested in joining our club, you can follow us on Instagram, DM us. You can come down to our office, and we have our email newsletters. So if you're interested in hearing what events we have coming up, what programming, ways to get involved, we send those out every week. And if you want to just meet amazing people, we're always here.